Today, we're gonna break the rules of magic, and I'm gonna expose the secrets behind Tech Deck from Craig Petty. Now, I've actually already opened this. I'm gonna perform a trick that I've been having a lot of fun with. I'm gonna teach you how to do the trick, and then take you through all the features and benefits of Craig Petty's Tech Deck. I have a deck of cards right here that I can shuffle up all I want, and then I can have somebody as I go through the deck, and they can say stop whenever they want. They can take a look at this card right here. What I'm gonna do is give the deck a little bit more of a shuffle like this. You can actually see all of the cards. What I'm gonna have you do is look at these cards, and I can actually tell you that you're thinking of the 9 of Hearts. And a lot of you are wondering exactly how I do that, and I'll tell you, it's the electronics inside the deck. And then I can immediately start shuffling these cards again. So this is Tech Deck. Now, I have added some extra cards from another deck of cards because what you actually receive in the package is this particular unit right here. We're gonna get back to these in just a second, but I wanna take you through exactly what makes this special. You see, this looks like a regular block of cards with a face and a back, but the secret is on the inside. You see, this looks like a really high-tech piece of machinery, but it's really just a printed circuit board with low power blue LEDs, a couple of watch batteries, and then what are called reed switches. The inside here has some magnets. These two magnets right here hold the lid closed. These 4 magnets actually turn it on and off. You see, if I get close enough here, a reed switch is a type of electronic switch that is activated and deactivated when it's brought close to a magnet. So what's really nice about this is you'll notice there's no charging ports on it. And that's not because Penguin Magic is the new Apple and we want you to buy an additional charging cord. It's because when this device is closed, it's actually off and not drawing power. So it's good for hundreds and hundreds of performances when you open this up and show it to your audience. Now, there's a number of different ways you can use this. If you live in the world of OmniDeck or anything like that, where you've seen somebody have a deck of cards transform into a glass block, you can use this particular trick instead. The very simple trick that I did here was I took 13 marked cards. You can get those from Penguin Magic. I highly recommend the Penguin Marked deck, and just put them on top and apparently shuffle the cards. As I start to go through the cards like this, they say stop. Now I can see this is the 5 of Hearts because it's marked on the back, and then I just remember that card. As I go ahead and shuffle these, I just shuffle them to the bottom so that I can show you these cards again. That's when I turn everything over and reveal the card to somebody. First of all, they're shocked, and then when I let them in, I tell them I'm gonna let them in on the secret. They obviously wanna know. That is when I can open up the deck and reveal the electronics inside. I can make up some mumbo jumbo about the deck having a camera system that tracks their eye, do whatever, but then put the lid back on top, and then I just turn the deck over and immediately start shuffling again, and it seems like the deck has transformed from a loose deck of cards to a weird electronic brick, and then back again. The actual tutorial that Tech Deck comes with, Craig teaches you a bunch of different routines, including an ambitious card, some other mind reading stuff, a whole bunch of different routines on there that you are going to have super fun with. But for me, the core element of this, that you can open it up, you can put this in the spectator's hand, have them look at it. It's more than just a gag. It's a full solution to other amazing magic that is really going to captivate your audience's imagination. I hope that has given you a little bit more information on exactly what Tech Deck is, and if you already own it, maybe you like the extra little trick that I shared with you there. Do me a favor, hit the like and subscribe button and ring that bell so you'll be notified when we share more videos like this, so you can get the scoop on what's going on with all our products behind the scenes right here at Penguin Magic.